Alright, today we're going to bring a bidet sprayer. Now this is a very simple to install. It's just to screw into the main valve. Now they give you this one. It's an interceptor, right? This is to actually intercept the actual main valve and split it. You have an on and off here too to actually set it up. They give you a hook so you can hang the actual system itself. Alright. Sprayer is just a simple sprayer. We're going to test it out today. I like this valve. This is a very good one actually to intercept it, and then it actually has an on and off, so you can also turn it off and on. If you're going to put it behind the toilet, you need to have this instead of just a sprayer. As this is an emergency, you can always shut it off. If it's leaking from here, you could turn it off. So today we're going to set it up and we're going to test it out with warm water, a warming system. We're going to combine it with a warmer too. So if you're ever going to set something like this on your toilet, I'm going to show you guys a different way you could set it up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. If you guys can see, so we're gonna set up the heater, and this is how powerful the hose is. Very powerful. See how warm it is? It's warming up. And if you guys can see, I'm gonna put my water. Look at that. That is cool. I combine it with a heater, so if you want to set this up in your bathroom, you could get one of these and just set this one up and you won't get that coldness. But this is a great option. Look at this. Like the pressure on it, you press it slowly, you can push it all the way down slowly and push it down.